Hi, my name is Maite, and this is my video about the methods that we saw in this course.
First, we have ALM, that means audiolingual method, and it's based on behaviorism. It has some special characteristics like drills, that means repetition or mechanical repetition. This method said the students will speak automatically, and the lesson takes place in the target language. And if the students have a correct behavior, the answer, the response have positive feedback. And also if the student have a mistake, they have a negative feedback. Second, we have PPP, that means presentation, process, and product, and it's based on constructivism. The structure of this is warm up, presentation, practice, and production. In presentation, students will see an aspect of language in a context that the students are familiar with. Practice, students will give an activity that gives to them to practice. And production is where the students use the language on a context. In lower levels, students communicate with any language they can, and also they can use drills. The third is ESA, engage, study, and active. Engage, it means compromiso o participación. Study describes any teaching and learning element where the focus is on how something is constructed. Active is how two students use the language they know. And ESA have some strategies like boomerang or patchwork. If students don't understand something, teacher can use patchwork to returning if there is necessary. And also teacher can use boomerang, and that means starting again. We will pass to CLT, that means communicative learning teaching, and it's based on communicative approach. Students do most of the time talking, and teacher use the needs or interest of the students into account to the class. Also, this method use real world or real life scenarios to teaching and using the language for context and content. In the other hand, we have TBLT, that means task-based learning teaching, and also is based on communicative approach. The structure of this method is pre-task, task, and post-task. Task is a big picture assessment that the students are trying to solve. Pre-task, the teacher introduces the task to the students and gets them motivated to solve it. Task, students start working on the task and students feel the need to use the language. Post-task is the stage offers to students the opportunity to reflect on their work. To finish this video, we have a lexical approach. Lexical approach is based on lexical units, and the idea in this approach, in this method, is that the language is made up with lexical units than grammatical structures. Units are divided in 4 things. The first is chunks, the second is collocation, the third is semi-fixed expression, and final we have fixed expression. Chunks are words that usually go together, for example, by the way. Collocation are 2 or more words that often go together, for example, fast food. Semi-fixed expressions are phrases that retain the same basic word or their truth. Fixed expressions are expressions which are fixed and cannot be changed for any reason. For example, go to bed. The fixed expression is 2.
Well, this is my video about the methods, and see you. Thanks.